What size port is
Hey,
this?
I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. I bought it off my buddy and slapped it in here and tuned the amp. That's all I did.
Really? Wow. That's cool though.
I bought this up for $300. When you're building, I was like, man, I like him.
I appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, nice. So this is, tell me all the equipment and all that in here.
So, I got DS18 Neos in the doors, just 2 6.5s. I got a JO 400x4, 400 watt amp, and I got a cab car audio bargain 2K. I think it's wired at 1. So I just put it on the thing. It's at 1.2 right now, and just one control to 12.
Dual 2?
Yep.
Wired to 1 ohm.
Yep.
Okay. Any electrical upgrades?
No, none.
Stock? Did you do big 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got big 3 done.
But I'm about to get a Metman alternator here soon, so.
Okay, that'll help. Yep. Do you have any voltage monitor stuff?
I do have one at the house. I'm about to wire it in here. I don't have it yet, though.
All right, awesome.
But that's pretty much it.
All right. Demo time. Oh, what is it box tuned to?
I put it on the Hertz sweep, and it likes about like 36 or so.
36? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you meter it yet?
No, I have not metered it.
So you just know it peaks at 36?
The guy in Sean's truck's about to build me a box tuned to 31, then that happens. I'm going to do all the electrical first, then I'm going to get it metered.
All right. Yep. You'll like a custom box.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure.
It likes the, what, 41, 42 hertz there?
Roughly about there. It's like high 30s, very low 40s.
Low 40s.
Yeah, when I get that box tuned, I get it built by him probably in like this week or so.
Yep.
I'm gonna do 0 gauge. I'm getting an excess lithium power battery. Probably I'm not sure which one it was. It was over at the store at Hurricane.
It'll definitely help though. So you're gonna get a lot
sure.
louder. You'll be more output. You'll have probably a little bit of musical box. It'll be built to specs to the sub.
Right.
Yeah. So it'll definitely give you better output. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Presley.
Presley. Jacob.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for the demo, Presley.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you.
Yes, sir. What vehicle?
1999 Chevy Silverado.
Chevy Silverado. All right.
Yes, sir, man.
You have a good day, man.
You too,
yes,
man.
Sir. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
What size port is
Hey,
this?
I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. I bought it off my buddy and slapped it in here and tuned the amp. That's all I did.
Really? Wow. That's cool though.
I bought this up for $300.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet.
Oh yeah. Now the dust cap is bent, but I'm about to get that. I'm about to get a new dust cap for it.
Okay.
But it ain't blown at all. It's brand new.
Nice.
Yes, sir. And I gotta upgrade this wire back here under the hose.
paper bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast. Jumping the new in the stash. Got too far, hoes they deal me. Drive the top when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek. Percocet pills on me. I saw my nigga can chill with me. The niggas that bounce in the back don't say nothing. The niggas are killing for me. Back as I kill in my sleep, on fleek. And they can't split on that party for me. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. How about the fog and leak? I put them bitches in the family. My bitch, she walk around like she Cristiano. I used to work in the Emma. They take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mantle. Mama said she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a minor symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled. Fuck on that bitch in that temple. A nigga for me to take pictures. Not for my leg, but I triple. Double my couple or triple. Bounce on my body, no typical. I'm not your average or typical.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.